Forgotten username recovery failed on Personal Capital Advisor fix. If you've forgotten your Personal Capital Advisor username, most people make the mistake of entering the wrong email or skipping verification steps. You won't believe how simple it is to regain access once you follow the right steps. Step 1. Go to the Personal Capital Advisor login page or open the app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. You'll receive a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk and promotions. Recovery emails often end up there. Avoid multiple rapid requests, as this can temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather details such as your full name, account number, recent financial transactions or subscription information. Contact Personal Capital Support with this information to expedite the recovery process. Step 4. After recovering your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds extra security, protecting your financial data and future logins. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Personal Capital Advisor account smoothly. Secure credential management and proper verification are crucial for keeping your investments, account insights, and financial planning tools safe and accessible.